Okay students, after watching the videos on rule of divisibility, I have an activity for you. Rule of divisibility for 2, 3, 5 and 7. I have a table like this and you have to fill these missing blanks with yes or no. Right? Fill these blanks with yes or no. For example, if I have a number 120, you will tell me that 120 is divisible by 2 or not according to the rule. You will check for what is the rule for the 2. First of all, you have to memorize the rules, right? And for 2, you have to check the last digit. Last digit is 0. Last digit is 0. So I have told you that for 2, last digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then the number is divisible by 2. So here last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 2. I will write here yes. Yes, the number is divisible by 2. Okay, for 3, what is the rule for 3? You will check the sum of the digits. So check the sum. 1 plus 2 plus 0. Yes, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Answer is 3. And I know that 3 is divisible by 3. 3 के टेबल में 3 आता है ना, 3 1 time 3. So if the result is divisible by 3, then we say that the number 120 is also divisible by 3. So it is also yes. And what is the rule for 5? Rule for 5 is last digit must be 0 or 5. So here the last digit is 0. So we say that 120 is divisible by 5. Yes. And what about 7? 7 is, what is the rule for 7? For 7, the rule is double the last digit. Last digit is 0. If I double it, 0 plus 0, answer is 0, right? Double the last digit and then subtract this result, this 0, from the remaining digits. Remaining digits are 12. So 12 minus 0. You will double the last digit and then this answer will be subtracted from the remaining digits. So what is the answer? 12 minus 0, 12. And you all know that 12 is not divisible by 7. You will read the table of 7 and you will learn that 12 is not divisible by 7. It means the number 120 is not divisible by 7. I will write here not divisible. Yes, sorry, not, it will be no. So these are the rules for the divisibility for 2, 3, 5 and 7.